Today we're talking about one of the most asked questions in IM security. Can you actually play as the DJ? So here's the deal. Yes, the game features roles like DJ and barman, but as of now, they're not fully implemented. Players who've tried accessing these roles often run into glitches, broken animations, or just get stuck in incomplete scenes. It's pretty clear these roles are either unfinished or locked for future updates. The game has received a few bug fixes and content patches, but there's no official confirmation from the developers about when or if these roles will be fully playable. In fact, if you search IM security on Steam, you'll still see it's still listed as coming soon, which means the game is still in development. So while the DJ role is technically in the files, it's not ready for prime time. If you want to stay updated, check their Discord community and Reddit or even the Oculus Quest forums. That's where you'll hear first about new features, updates, and whether DJ mode finally goes live.